If you worked with ERP Next's warehouse module, you know the drill. A flat tree of names, no visual context, no idea what's full and what's empty without running a report. Today I'm going to show you something completely different. This is Warehouse Theater 3D, a free open source Frappe app that turns your existing warehouse hierarchy into a live, interactive 3D view with real-time stock levels, bin utilization, and item details, all without changing a single warehouse name. Let's go. This app is built by Arvind G and it's completely free, listed on the Frappe Cloud Marketplace under MIT license. No license keys, no paywalls. The concept is simple. ERP Next already tracks stock at the bin level. This app reads that same tab bin data and visualizes it in 3D using 3.js. The hierarchy model is building to floor to slot to bin. And here's the smart part. It maps to whatever depth your warehouse tree already has. You don't rename anything. A one-time setup wizard reads your existing tree and asks you which level is which. The tech stack is Vue 3, 3.js, and Frappe backend. No build step required. Install, open, done. Let me walk you through exactly how I set mine up, because the naming here is important. I created a warehouse called stores-ec as the parent group. Inside that, I have st-row-a-ec. This is my slot. Basically a physical row of racking. And inside each row, I have individual bins. st-a-l1, st-a-l2, all the way to st-a-l10. These are the shelf levels, the bins. So my structure maps like this. Stores to floor. st-row-a to slot, a rack row. st-a-l1 through L10 to bin, individual shelf levels. Now for the visualization to show fill percentage, I need to tell the app how much each bin can hold. I go into the WTUOM capacities table and I set the UOM and the capacity for each bin. Once this is done, the 3D view can calculate how full or empty each bin is in real time. Now let's put some stock in, but I'm going to do something intentional here. I'm going to skip a few bins on purpose. I won't put stock into bins. This way we can see in the 3D view how empty bins look versus occupied ones. I submit the stock entry and the data is now live in ERP Next's bin table, exactly where Warehouse Theater 3D reads from. Now the good part. I open Warehouse Theater 3D from the desk. On the left sidebar, I can see my floors. I click on Stores, EC, my floor. And boom! The 3D view renders every row, every slot, every bin as a physical rack you can orbit, pan, and zoom. Look at this. The bins I filled with stock are colored, orange or green depending on how full they are. The bins I intentionally left empty, they show clearly as unoccupied. This is real time. Every time stock moves in ERP Next, a stock entry, a purchase receipt, a delivery note, this view updates automatically because it's reading directly from the bin table. No schedule job, no sync, just live data. I single-click on one of the occupied bins, say st-a-l1. A side panel slides in showing me the capacity, current quantity, fill percentage, and the UOM. And if I double-click, I get the full item model, every item sitting in this bin with quantity and item name. Now look at the ones I skipped. They're clearly marked empty. You could walk a warehouse manager to this screen and they'd immediately know where to put the next receipt. No report, no query, no confusion. There's one more thing I want to show you, the aisle walkthrough mode. I click the aisle view button, Pick an aisle from the drop-down, and now I'm standing inside the warehouse in first-person view. I can use W/S to walk forward and back, A/D to strafe left and right, and drag the mouse to look around. For a client demo, this is gold. You show this to a plant manager or a warehouse head, and they immediately understand the system, because it looks like a warehouse they'd actually walk into. So let me summarize what we covered today. We installed Warehouse Theater 3D, free, open source, from the Frappe marketplace. We ran the setup wizard. It read our existing warehouse tree, no renaming needed. We set UOM capacities so the app knows what full means. We created a stock entry, intentionally skipping some bins to test the visualization. And we opened the 3D view, live bin occupancy, color coding, click to inspect, and even a first-person aisle walk. For any ERP Next implementation where you have a physical warehouse with racks and bins, manufacturing, retail, import-export, this is the kind of visibility that turns a system into a tool people actually want to use. If you found this useful, like and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments, especially if you've tried a multi-floor setup or are doing this on a self-hosted bench. I'll see you in the next one.